Welcome to Bholanath Academy. Today we are going to see the reaction of primary amines. Only the primary amines we are going to use here, students. The first simplest prime amine is ethylamine. C2H5NH2. This is ethylamine. This is ethylamine, students, we called as ethylamine. This ethylamine, students, when react with acid, simple acid we are using, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Now what is, students, this is the acid and this is what, because it is amine group, we can say it is a base. So what happens, students, it will form the salt, that means it will form ethyl ammonium chloride. The product is what? Ethyl ammonium chloride. So again the ethyl group will be as it is, C2H5. Now what happens, students, the hydrogen of the hydrochloric will combines with ammonia, form the ammonia NH3, and students, chlorine is always negative charge, and because it contains what? 4 charges. Now valency of nitrogen is here is 4, so it will carry positive charge. What will be the name of this compound, students? This is ethyl ammonium chloride. Ethyl ammonium chloride. Now, students, second reaction of primary amines. Same primary amines we are using, students. Simplest primary amines, that is ethylamine I am taking. It may be methylamine also. So 2 carbon containing compound, ethyl and amine. Now what happens, students? Here, students, you have to pass the ethyl iodide halogen. We are passing ethyl iodide, C2H5. What happens, students? This ethyl amine react with the ethyl iodide and it will form diethylamine, C2H5. It is twice diethylamine, and there is a formation of iodic acid, that is diethylamine. The name of this product is diethylamine. Now, students, the third reaction of primary amines we are going to see, students. Third reaction of primary amines, students. Third reaction is, again here we are using ethylamine, which is the primary amine. This ethylamine, students, this ethylamine react with the ethyl iodide in excess quantity. What happens? There is a formation of tetraethyl ammonium iodide. There is a formation of tetra, C2H5 thrice, and students, there is a iodine. We call it as tetraethyl ammonium chloride. This is tetraethyl ammonium chloride product you are getting, students. Now same ethylamine, students. Fourth reaction, students, we are taking C2H5 ethylamine react with nitrous acid, NaNO2 HCl. So what happens, students? It will form ethyl alcohol. This ethylamine is now converted into ethyl alcohol, which is very important, students. We got alcohol. Which type of alcohol? Because we are using ethyl, so this is ethyl alcohol. The product is ethyl alcohol. Now fifth reaction, students. Fifth reaction of primary amines, that is ethylamine. This ethylamine is again going to be react with chloroform. This is chloroform, combines with KOH. So what happens, students? There is a formation of this ethylamine is converted into ethyl isocyanate, C2H5. This ethyl will connect to the nitrogen of the cyanide group and form ethyl isocyanate. It will form ethyl isocyanide. So you have converted primary amines ethylamine. Ethylamine is now converted into ethyl isocyanate. Now sixth reaction, students. Sixth reaction, again we are taking ethylamine, C2H5 NH2. This primary amines ethylamine. This ethylamine, students, combine acetyl chloride, combines with acetyl chloride, CH3. This acetyl group is now connected to the chloride. We call it as acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, CH3. CO. This is twice with oxygen. What happens, friends? Instead of that, it will form the product C2H5. Now hydrogen of this amine is converted to acetyl group COCH3. This is acetyl group, students, which is connected to nitrogen, so we call it as N-acetyl, and this part is called as ethylamine, N-acetyl ethylamine, and there is a formation of HCl. HCl will also formed. Now, students, seventh reaction of primary amines is when primary amines react with this primary amine is C2H5. When react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is benzene ring which is connected to sulfonyl group. This is sulfonyl group which is connected to chloride. We called as benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is also called as Heisenberg's test. This was discovered by the scientist Heisenberg, so the test is also called as Heisenberg test. Now what happens, friends? This hydrogen of the ethylamine combines with chloride and form HCl. And what happens, friends? This ethylamine will C2H5 combines with sulfonyl group and form this product, that is called as, because here N, the name of compound will be N-ethyl benzene sulfonyl amide product you are getting, students. This is the reaction of primary amines. Students, if you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.